Dear friends and my dear agricultural students, in this video we will see about the different methods of seed extraction methods in tomato. In tomato, the seeds may be extracted by 4 different methods. The first method is fermentation method. The second method is acid extraction method. Third is alkali extraction method, and the fourth one is mechanical extraction method. First one is acid extraction method. Acid extraction method, here we are using the acid hydrochloric acid. Now hydrochloric acid is very much giving brightness to the seed. This acid delinting method is mostly used commercially, as there is seed brightness and also other advantages. What are all the advantages? Here ripened fruits are cut vertically into 4 to 6 pieces and soak overnight in water. First let us see the procedure of acid delinting method. Then the cut fruits are trampled into the to obtain fine pulp. Then we have to add hydrochloric acid at the rate of 20 to 30 ml per kg of pulp. Per kg of pulp we have to add 20 to 30 ml of hydrochloric acid, and we have to stir well the contents of the pulp for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wash the contents well and add water. The seeds settle down while the fruit pods float. So the floating fraction is discarded, and the seeds that had settled down are collected separately and dried. This is the acid method of seed extraction. Then what are let us see what are the advantages of this acid seed extraction. So the advantages include high seed recovery. The seed borne pathogens adhering to the seed coat is removed. The color of the seed coat is bright, therefore the market value is increased. Time taken for seed extraction is very less. The time taken for seed extraction is very less. Seeds become free flowing. The method is more suitable for large scale extraction. Next, what are all the disadvantages? If we see the disadvantages, the cost of the seed extraction is higher since it involves chemical cost. Then if the traces of acid are not thoroughly washed, then it may affect the germination. These two are the disadvantages of acid method. That is, the cost of the seed extraction is higher since it involves a chemical cost, and if by improper handling, if some of the acid is attached to the seed, that will affect the germination. So these two are disadvantages of this method. Next, let us see about the alkali extraction method. How we will proceed the alkali extraction method? In acid extraction method, we are using hydrochloric acid. In alkali extraction method, in 1 liter of water, 1 gram of sodium bicarbonate is to be added. Though the cool alkali mixture is added to 1 kg of pulp. In 1 liter of water, 1 gram of sodium bicarbonate is to be added in 1 liter of water. The cool alkali mixture is added to 1 kg of pulp. Then allow it to stand overnight in an earthen pot. Next day, all the seeds will settle down at the bottom of the container. Therefore, the supernatant liquid can be decanted. Seeds which are washed thoroughly with the clean water and allowed to dry. What are the advantages of this method? Here the seed recovery percentage is, in acid method, Acid extraction method, we are using hydrochloric acid, that the seed recovery percentage is 0.8 to 1%. In alkali method, the seed recovery percentage is 0.7 to 0.8 percentage. Then pathogens are removed. Here in alkali methods also pathogens are removed. Seeds are free flowing and easy for soaking. Next, let us see what are all the disadvantages. The alkali mixture is not initially, if not properly cooled before mixing with the seeds, the quality may be affected. Seeds are dull in color compared to acid method. In acid method, the seeds are very bright in color, but in alkali method, the seeds are dull in color. If the concentration of the alkali is high, the viability of the seeds will be affected. These are all the disadvantages of this alkali method. Next, let us see how to extract mechanical extraction method. In mechanical extraction method, the well ripened tomato fruits are fed into the pulping machine. There is one machine called tomato pulping machine. So this machine will cut and crushed fruit are passed between corrugated rollers falling into the revolving wire mesh cylinder. So during the operation, the fruits will squeeze into pulp due to agitating force of the stirring rod and baffles. The cylindrical mass allows the seeds and juice to pass through it, while the fruit debris passes through the cylindrical mesh